Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be preparing chicken curry served with rice. So here I have mise en place ready. I have chicken breast, rice, coconut milk, corn flour, zucchini, chopped onion, carrot, fresh paprika, arugula salad to garnish, olive oil, some oil. The seasonals are I have curry powder, black pepper, some turmeric, coriander, vegetable seasoner, dry paprika powder, some salt to taste, garlic clove, and ginger. So let's start cooking, guys. So, guys, here I have some water for the rice. Bring it to boil, and then move to the next level. Now I think we have to first of all I have to wash up my hand, guys. That is for me very important. And then we move to the chicken breast. This I will cut into a cube. So go ahead and add my rice to the water. Let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then I will add some tablespoons of, also 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Give this a stir until it's properly mixed, as in together with onion. And then I will move to the curry powder. I'll add at least 2 teaspoons of curry powder, some turmeric. The turmeric is just to give it a nice flavor and a very beautiful color. And guys, we have to be very careful not to let this stick at the bottom of the pan or any sauce, any form of a burnt. And then I will add my garlic. So my pressed garlic is added, and then some grated ginger, this will be the coconut milk, and then I will add a cup of water. Depending on how thick you want this, guys. I will add then the rest of the seasoning. Followed by the set aside chicken. Next to the zucchini. Followed by the fresh cut paprika. And the last step is carrot. This is the finished look of our chicken curry, guys. If you feel this is too thick for you, you can as well add more water, but I prefer it this way. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and hit the notification button to get notified anytime I post a new video, and also leave a comment. So that's the end. See you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.